Yo guys, Phil here with BLP3 Motors. Man, it's been a minute, but I am back, baby. I kind of want to just talk to you guys a little bit. This is a little vlog style one, but I want to give you guys some updates with what's going on in my life and two big things. I mean, you guys have clicked on this video, but there is going to be a new build on the channel and we have a new sponsor. So before we get this started, I want to talk about my sponsorship. So AutoAnything.com is our official sponsor. I kind of created a little bumper, so check this out.
Guys, if you're in the market for car parts, make sure to check out AutoAnything.com and use my promo code BLP310 for a 10% discount here at the store. They have an amazing selection of performance parts, exterior mods, interior mods, and if you're looking at maintenance and repair, they've got a great selection there too. So you guys make sure to visit the store.
So guys, there you have it. You guys get a 10% discount pretty much throughout the entire store. They have some other discounts on the actual website, but it's only on certain items, but my discount kind of goes pretty much throughout the entire store. So that's pretty awesome, and it's a really cool story with kind of how that got together. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but the really cool guys, and I am super pumped to start building a vehicle. And so, wow, I can't believe I'm saying this. So I am going to be building my Ram 1500, the truck that I said that I needed for work, that I wasn't going to build and I wasn't going to mess with. I'm messing with it and I'm going to build it, and I'm going to be using this build through AutoAnything.com. We've got a really good thing going on, and I'm in a position where hopefully we're going to start making some money on the channel now too. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and through other just little affiliate links and things like that, we're kind of in a place where I can start looking at doing some modifications. So I have a 2014 Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn, and with this build, I'm pretty much going to want to do everything to it. So this is kind of what I'm thinking, and if I'm missing something or if I should have something better that I just mentioned or haven't mentioned, let me know in the comment section below. But I'm thinking we're going to do a 6-inch lift on the truck. I'm thinking that, okay, I think I want to go with 22-inch wheels. Right now the truck has 20-inch wheels of the stock Ram Laramie ones, the Longhorn ones. But I think I want to go to 22s, and I think I think I want to do 37s on the tires. I know for sure I can do 35s, but I really I want to see if I can do 37s. That would be just freaking sick. Now, I do have running boards already on the truck, but I really like those amp running boards, the retractable ones, and so I'm thinking I want to have that on as well. Other mods, okay, let's see here. I'm trying to think and drive at the same time. I don't recommend it. Let's see. Oh yeah, so I want to do the front bumper and the back bumper. It's going to be a little more aggressive. We're going to redo the grille, and so with the front bumper, I'm thinking it's going to be one of those bumpers where it has the guard on it too, so you're like off-road force. And with the grill, I'm thinking like a black kind of mesh grill. I did eye some spider headlights and spider tail lights, so I'm thinking about doing that. Let's see here. Oh, for sure we're gonna wrap the truck, for sure. I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything. On the interior, I'm not sure what I want to do on the interior. I have the Laramie Longhorn edition, so it's got like the brown leather on the inside, and brown's my favorite color. I really like that. Not a big fan of the Western theme so much, but yeah, I can live with that. If I can do something on the interior, you guys can kind of let me know. I can live without the 12-inch touchscreen. I don't think there's a way to modify this, because with the gearbox, they've moved the gearbox a little bit, so it's not like I can just pull this out and put something else in there and kind of make it work. So a little bummed about that, but meh, I can live with that. So I'm trying to think on the exterior, what else am I doing? Talked about the lights, the lift, the wheels, the tires, the bumpers, the grill. Okay, so rock lights. I'm thinking about doing some like rock light fog lights in the new bumpers, but also in the wheel wells. But other than that, I don't remember. Oh yeah, so I think I might do a cold air intake as far as performance mods, and maybe just a slight tune, but honestly guys, it's a truck, and so for me and the purpose of this, if I'm lifting it, this isn't going to be like one of those go fast things. It's just going to be a lot of fun, comfortable drive, sitting above. Oh yes, okay, oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot about it. So I'm going to attempt to put on a Corsa exhaust on this. So super loud, aggressive exhaust. It's kind of like what I want to put, what I want to do on there. And so I don't know if I've heard or seen another Ram with a loud exhaust like that in person. So we'll see kind of how that goes. But guys, I'm really excited to be back. I'm done with school, at least for the summer. And we just had a baby, as you guys saw in the last video. So there's just been a lot of adjustments, and it's been a really hard time. But I've had a lot of this exciting stuff kind of going on in the background, and I'm kind of ready to be full force coming back in with you guys. And so it was kind of really awkward. I was trying to think of like, okay, I got to make this video, I got to do that, and it's kind of hard to jump back in when you take such a big break. You get comfortable talking in front of the camera, but then at the same time, when you stop, you're not as comfortable anymore, and then it kind of just... Anyway, guys, I digress. I miss you guys, and I'm really excited to be back. I'm really excited to build the truck for you guys, and oh yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to get a 10% discount in the store. So kind of all that being said, I will say one more thing. Okay, one more thing for all the people that have been hanging out this long into the video, listening to me rant. There is a car that I want to buy, and so if everything works out well, I'm going to be building the truck, but I'm also going to be buying a sports car. So a sports car is a bit of a must for me, and there's a couple ways I can kind of go about it, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to do and the money. But I think altogether with the truck build, it's going to be about $12,000 to $13,000, I think, overall, with the modifications that I'm going to be putting into this truck. And then I'm thinking about buying a sports car in the $30,000 range. It's kind of like where I think I can afford something, unless there's like some stupid awesome deal that kind of comes through. But I think I know I want it to be a manual transmission. And for those of you guys who've stuck around, I don't know how to drive manual yet, but I want to learn. I did one video on attempting to learn, but I have not driven manual since then. So there's so many things that I want to buy. I've really wanted a Mustang, really want a Corvette. The Corvettes, though, are a little more pricey. I don't like the Camaros, so if anyone loves Camaros, I'm sorry. I'm not into this body style, but the two main contenders are a Mustang and a Corvette. And if I go a little bit cheaper, I really like the 370Zs, but as you guys can tell, I'm a big guy, fat guy, wide shoulders, man boobs, all of that. I don't know if I could fit in some of these smaller cars. I sat in a GTI and my shoulders cleared half the seat, and so it was not comfortable for me. I'm just a wide dude, and even I'm hoping to lose some weight, some driver mods there, but my shoulders just don't clear, and so it's a little bit of a cramped fit. So 3 things to take away from this. I'm going to be building the truck. We have a new sponsorship, and it's a really awesome sponsorship. It's a really serious thing. It's not like some little itty-bitty thing. AutoAnything.com is an amazing company. They have over 2,000 or 3,000 items in their SKU. So if you've got any type of car, they've got such a huge selection on wheels, on tires, on off-road elements, on sports enhancements, and even just maintenance. If you're doing maintenance stuff, you're going to want to check that out too. So that's kind of like my video coming back. I'm going to be adding another segment into my whole channel, because the channel focuses around these things. The channel focuses around car vlogs, which I haven't been doing so much, and I'm going to start doing a lot more car mods, car reviews, and car... Oh my gosh, I'm forgetting. Oh, car news. And the segment that I want to add is cruising with the issues, and I kind of want to talk about some issues and things that are kind of going on in the world today. And my whole thought behind that is I get into the car and we just kind of go for a drive, and unwind, kind of just vomit out what's kind of going on, my thoughts on it. Not that you guys care, not that I'm some kind of important person, but just some more talking points and ways that we can kind of get to know each other. And if you guys have any things that, I can't even speak today, if you guys have any topics and things you want me to cover, I don't mind talking about some of this stuff. I want to stay away from politics. For the most part, politics do not make friends, but like just like random things like the James Charles thing, or just random things that kind of pop up that are current. Anyway, this video is like way longer than I intended it to be, but it's an update video slash I'm back video slash I'm probably going to be posting 2 to 3 times a week again for the near future, and a lot of cool things lined up. I don't want to give it all to you today, but be ready. I'm back, and 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. We are so close to that, and once I hit that, I will start officially making money on the channel through actual YouTube. I'm making money in other ways, but that's going to be huge. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I will talk to you later.